Welcome to 6th grade math. My name is Mr. McKenzie and I'm going to be your math teacher this year. I just want to take a couple minutes to introduce myself and give you a little information about what's coming up in the next couple of days for us as school starts next week. I'm sure a lot of you are excited about coming to junior high, but if you're anything like me at the beginning of the school year, you're a little bit nervous. You're not quite sure how things are going to go. So I kind of wanted to ease your mind in a couple things and let you know a friendly face in the building and someone you'll be seeing in your day in the hopes that will make that first day a little easier for you. So to start with, on that first day of school, when you get to school in the morning, you might ride the bus, mom or dad might drop you off, you might walk to school, but when you get to school, you go down to breakfast if you want to or whatnot, but then all of the 6th graders are going to go to the multi-purpose room. It's kind of in the middle of the building, and that's where 6th graders hang out in the morning. But on the first day of school, you're all going to go down to the multi-purpose room. You take your book bags and all that stuff with you. And there's going to be signs around the outside of the room with all of the 6th grade teachers on it. So make sure you bring your schedule with you on that first day and then look at who your homeroom first hour teacher is. And you're going to go find that teacher's name in the multi-purpose room, and that's where you're going to sit in the morning. So you kind of be sitting with all the other classmates that you're going to have at the beginning of the day. When that dismissal bell rings for everybody for everybody to start the day, you're going to kind of follow that teacher. They're going to kind of show you where their classroom is, kind of show you where you're going, and then give you a chance to go out to your lockers and make sure you can get all your stuff in your locker and all that kind of stuff. I know I've seen lots of you in here this week that were able to come in and get your schedules, and you've been trying out your lockers. I know there's plenty of you who didn't get that chance, so don't stress out about it. I know lockers and schedules and making your way around the building can be a pretty stressful thing for 6th graders. You really don't have to stress about it. There's going to be a whole bunch of teachers out in the hallways during every passing period helping you figure out where to go or helping you with your locker. No one's going to be worried if you're running a little late or if you accidentally go to the wrong class. It happens to everybody. Those first couple days can be a little stressful as you're kind of learning things, but you'll find that by about the end of the first full week, that second week of school, you'll be an expert and it won't even faze you anymore. So just know that it will get easier and there'll be lots of people there to kind of help you in making life a little easier for you those first day or two. About math class in general. Right now you're watching a video of me and you're actually going to be doing that quite a bit. I run something called a flipped classroom, and we'll talk a whole lot more about that in kind of the second week of school. But the idea is that sometimes for your homework, you're going to actually be watching a short lesson that I make. You're going to watch it on your phone or your iPad or a computer at home or in study hall. You're going to take some notes, kind of learn the lesson, and then that's when you get to come to class the next day already knowing how to do everything. So then it's just a whole class period of fun and practice and games and activities where we can put that math to use instead of kind of sitting there having to take the notes. But we'll learn more about that as we go. You'll see over here I have a web address. It's called traubermath.com. A whole bunch of the Trauber math teachers all use the same website. That's where you go to find my information. So you can even check that out before school starts. Go to traubermath.com, click on Mr. McKenzie under the 6th grade section, and it'll take you right to my page. It's got school supply lists. It's got a calendar kind of talking about the first couple of days. But that's where you'll go to find homework assignments and video links and all kinds of other stuff as the school year goes on. So it's someplace you might want to check out a little bit before school starts. All right, that's it. Hopefully that answers some of your questions or makes you feel a little bit better about what you might see in those first couple of days. I can't wait to see you guys and get to know everybody on Wednesday. Those first couple of days of school, we'll really be spending time kind of getting to know each other, letting me learn your names, letting you learn your classmates' names, kind of exploring math and having some fun with it. So I'm excited and I hope you are too.